Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a review for the Toyota Camry GPS navigation DVD and radio system that fits for all Toyota Camrys year from 2007 to 2011. First of all, I would like to give a big thanks and shout out to the company that provided me this system. I will be leaving a link to this in the description box below, that way you guys can check it out. So let's go ahead and dive right into the review. So here's a quick look at the original stock system that came with the Camry, and this is what it looks like after the installation is complete. Now we are in complete daylight right now, and the screen still looks very crisp and colorful, as you can see. So installation was fairly easy and you can actually do it yourself. Alright, so let's go ahead and start showing you the different features and control functions that comes with the system here. On the left side we have the audio volume control. Simply press it down once to mute and twist to increase volume. Here's the power on and off button, return button, navigation button, and radio button. On this side we have the radio tuner, also can be used to change songs, and simply press it down once to get to the mix and EQ for the system. And this system is actually very nice, make the stock speaker sound much better than it is. And CD DVD eject button, play and pause button. This two button is one is to answer the phone and the other is to end the phone call. Now this system does have built-in Bluetooth feature, so which is a very nice feature also. Here's a USB input, and over here you actually have two slots. The bottom slot is a micro SD card for the navigation or the GPS system, which already comes installed with the system here. And the slot on top is another slot for additional micro SD card, which you can put your music or movies or any files in there, in which you can view on the screen and the system here. So let's look at the interface we have. So depending on when you purchase this system, the interface may be slightly different from the interface you see here, but overall the features will be the same, even though the look may be a little different. So here we have our navigation, radio, DVD, CD, and two USB input. One is right here, and another one you can actually hook a wire on the back and route it out to us. And here's the SD card. That's the top SD card that we just talked about. Bluetooth, and the settings up here are the same button, just another selection that you can pick from, but that's the same thing as back here. So slide it over, you have an additional screen for the auxiliary, AVN, iPod, digital TV. Now this was cool back in the days, but now we don't, of course we don't use the antenna anymore, so TV function is gone. And they do have a app store, in which has a couple of games, not really games, but clock, calendar, calculator. You can install games in there if you would like, which is this one over here. Games in there. This one has the very basic games, just like back in the days. And also have the Internet Explorer if you have wireless internet. I don't in this case, but if you do, that will be nice. So let's go ahead and show you the navigation here. So this navigation system is actually very nice. Let's compare it to the iPhone or Android GPS system that comes with our phone. So this one uses the GPS satellite, which is completely different from when we're using the map on the iPhone. On the iPhone, it requires internet and data to work. Now in other cases, this one will work no matter where you are, as long as you have the navigation signal. Of course, it comes with this. And there was one time I was on the mountain and the iPhone failed with navigation. This one really came in handy when it came to that. So you can simply click on there to see the complete map view. Now with bigger cities, this map does comes with 3D navigation, which looks very nice. Also in my current position, it does not have 3D, but when it does, it's very nice. So right now, as you can see, I'm back in the main menu at the home screen, but the navigation is still running in the background. So you can do everything else and you will still be able to listen to your navigation and with the voice option. So that's a very nice option. And let's go back here to show you the radio. So this is what the radio looks like. Want to turn down the audio because due to copyright reasons. And here, let's give you a quick view of the SD card. So this is the SD card menu, which as you can see, quality is pretty nice. And DVD, it also plays DVD, and this is where you insert the DVD or CD. I haven't used any of those for over decades now, but if you want to watch movies with DVD, of course you can. Let's see. Here's a little more colorful video for you. Alright, quality, very good. Now to show you the Bluetooth menu. Now for the Bluetooth function, a really nice thing about this one right here is all you have to do is connect the Bluetooth to your phone only one time. And after that, once you turn the engine on with your phone Bluetooth already on, it'll automatically connect it. All the music, everything you use from your phone, the audio will be powered out through your core speaker once you connect it. And another nice thing is you can also talk on the phone using the Bluetooth feature here. It does have the microphone, as you can see right here. So that's the microphone that will work when you're on the phone. It has the keypad for you to dial any number, but you have to connect that to the phone first, of course. And once you connect it, all your contacts will also be displayed here. So whoever called, it'll tell you the name just as if you were on your actual phone. So very cool. Let's see what else we have here. So in the settings, we have different wallpaper setting. The boot logo, you can change that, meaning when you turn on the car, what do you want to see? Let me go ahead and show that to you. So let's boot up the car. As you can see, I have the Toyota Camry logo currently on, but again, you can change that logo based on your liking. So let's continue with the setting. Also, you have the common setting in here. You have the beep. I got that turned off. It's pretty annoying after a while, meaning every time you select something, it beeps. It makes a beep sound, which is pretty annoying. And other satellite signal, restore to factory setting, calibration for the touchscreen. Touchscreen comes very sensitive and accurate already, so don't mess with that. Here's the display. You can control your brightness and when it comes to nighttime, how bright you want it to be, and very basic things like that. And sound, this is one of my favorite thing right here. You can actually control your own mixer, which is very nice here, which give you a very more high quality audio sound when it comes to that. It also have a whole bunch of other preset settings right here. And you can also control the loudness and the subwoofer. This is where if you're into bass music, this is where you can really turn everything up. All right, so back to the home screen. And as for the USB 1 and USB 2, so this is the USB 1 and USB 2. I have a line connected to the back of the system, which I routed it to out here. So you can actually put in a USB flash drive here and play your movies or music through this. And you can also use this as a charging slot to charge your phone or any devices. And this is the auxiliary cord, which I also connect this to the back of the system, and you can use this to listen to music if your device don't have Bluetooth feature. Since I mainly use my phone, so I usually use the Bluetooth function, so really don't have a use for that one unless you have like iPod older version that does not have Bluetooth. So as you can see, it looks very nice and compared to the stock version, as you can see there. Now also, depending on when you get the system, they sometimes have a deal that also comes with a review camera. So let me go ahead and show that to you and how that works. So when you put your car into reverse, as you can see, that automatically signals the review camera power. And as you can see here, this is a very convenient feature. It will actually turn your Toyota Camry into like a 10 times better car, that you feel like you may be in a Mercedes or something. But again, very cool feature and everything to have. I forgot to mention, when you're in the reverse camera view here, you can have additional guidelines there for you to back up, and you can also adjust the different color setting to your liking. So again, very nice system to own and to have if you have a Toyota Camry anywhere from 2007 to 2011. This would work with all models. So again, I will leave a link to this item in the description box below. Currently, they do have that promotion going on where you will get a free camera. That way you will be able to connect the review camera onto the system here. So it's a really good deal. So you guys can go ahead and check that out, and I will see you guys in the next video.